Hello friends, welcome to Fieldstroid. Today I'll be reviewing the frameless wiper blades. Also in this video I'll show you a quick comparison of how these frameless wiper blades work against the normal wiper blades. I have purchased these frameless wiper blades from Amazon for around 300 rupees. These frameless wiper blades were very new. I have never used these frameless blades in my car. You can refer this image to get the exact length of the wiper blades based on the car model. So now here I have got the brand new wiper blades. So let me just unbox this and show it to you how exactly it looks. So this frameless wiper blade doesn't comes with any metallic grip like your traditional wiper blades, and they are very flexible in nature. Here is the close view of the wiper blades. I hope the information is beneficial. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel Fieldstroid. So this is how the traditional wiper blade looks, as these are the old wiper blades of my car. So now let me just show it to you how to install these wiper blades in your car. So there will be a clamp provided. So all you need to do is just you have to put the clamp at a right place and press it. That's it. So the wiper blades will get installed. So you don't have to go to any of the mechanic or even service guys for installing these wiper blades. In showroom, the similar wiper blades will cost you around 700 to 1000 rupees. So better you purchase it online and get it installed by yourself so that you can save a lot of money. I have placed this frameless wiper blades product link in my description. You can take a look and let me know how do you feel about these frameless wiper blades. If you are shifting from a normal wiper blades to this frameless wiper blades, you won't find any of the differences while driving the car. So and also the quality of wash will be much better compared to the traditional wiper blades. So now let's go over a drive and see how the quality of wash will be. So here I have given a quick comparison of traditional wiper blades versus a normal wiper blades. As you can see on the right hand side, my previous 1.5-year-old normal wiper blades against the brand new frameless wiper blades. You can write your feedback in the comment section, which one you liked, why and all. This is how the quality of wash looks during night time, and that too in a heavy rain. As you can notice here, the left side is a frameless wiper blades, right sides are the normal one. Overall, the frameless wiper blades wash quality is very good. I hope you guys found this video very useful. Please hit a like button and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and have a good day.